Let us learn how to calculate producer surplus. With an example, the question is, find the producer surplus if supply function is Q is equal to under root minus 5 plus 3P. Q denotes the output, P is the price, and at a price of $10, we need to calculate the producer surplus. By producer surplus, what we mean? Producer surplus is the difference between the amount at which a producer is willing to sell the good and the actual amount at which the goods are sold. The difference between what he expects the price of a good and the market price, that denotes the producer surplus. How do we calculate? Let's find it out. So what we are being given? We are being given the demand function is Q is equal to under root minus 5 plus 3P. First thing is we need to solve it for inverse supply function. That means let us solve it for P. So transposing under root, it becomes square. So we will get minus 5 plus 3P is equal to Q square. Adding both sides by 5, we will get 3P is equal to Q square plus 5. Dividing both sides by by 3, we will get P is equal to, can I write it like this, 5 upon 3 plus Q square divided by 3. This is our inverse supply function. Okay, let me draw it on the graph to make the things simple. So if we have output on the horizontal axis, price on the vertical axis, we have this inverse supply function, and it looks like this. If I can draw it like so, it is quadratic one. So this is our supply function. Okay, next or let me draw it like this. Okay, to save the space here. So we have this inverse supply function. Next thing is we are being told when price is equal to 10, when P is equal to 10, what is the output quantity supplied? That is Q will be equal to minus 5 plus 3 into the value of price P, that is 10. So Q will be equal to minus 5 plus 30. So we will get under root 25. That gives us Q will be equal to 5. That means quantity supplied at a price of 10. Let us say this denotes 10, and quantity supplied corresponding to this $10 of price is 5. Now what will be the producer surplus? Producer surplus will be equal to the area which is below the market price and above the supply function. Okay, so the area of this very triangle, or rather this very region, gives us the producer surplus. Okay, how do we calculate the area of this very region? It is equal to, so now producer surplus will be equal to, that will be equal to the area of this whole rectangle, which is equal to P into Q. This is price times quantity. It is here Q, here it is price, so it will be equal to price into quantity minus the area of this red region, that is the definite integral from 0 to Q of our supply function, this function P with respect to Q. We need to integrate it with respect to Q, or we can write producer surplus will be equal to, now P into Q, we got the equilibrium price and output as 10 and 5. To this we subtract the definite integral from 0 to equilibrium quantity, which is 5, and we have this supply function, that is 5 upon 3 plus Q square upon 3. Now we need to integrate it. Let us do the integration here. So we have producer surplus will be equal to 10 5s are 50 minus Let us integrate. So we get 5 upon 3 q minus q cube divided by 3. So this becomes 3 3s are 9, and we evaluate it from 0 to 5. Okay, solving this. So producer surplus will be equal to 50 minus, here we need to evaluate, here it is plus obviously. So we evaluate these terms at 5, that is upper limit, then we subtract and evaluate them at the lower limit. So in place of, we have 5 upon 3, in place of q first we have 5, plus in place of 5 we have, sorry, in place of q we have 5, so 5 is 25 into 125, 125 upon now. Then we subtract and evaluate at the lower limit. So we have 5 upon 3 times 0, which comes out to be 0. Again we get 0 cube upon 9, which is in fact 0. Solving further, producer surplus will be equal to 50 minus, here it is 25 upon 3 plus we have 125 upon 9, which implies producer surplus will be equal to 50 minus, let's make the denominator same, 3. So it becomes 75 upon 9 plus 125 upon 9. That gives us producer surplus equal to 50 minus, so this becomes 5 5 5 10, 7 9 10, we get 200 divided by 9. So producer surplus will be equal to 50 minus 9 2s are 18, again 9 2s are 18, so we get 2.22 and so on, which implies when we subtract we have 50.0, 2.2, so dahanna is the 8.9 is the 7. Rather here we got 9 2s are 18, again 9 2s are 18, 22.2 we get here, so we will get here 22 5 is the 3, you have actually sorry, so we will get here 4 minus 2, which comes out to be 27.8. that will be the producer surplus. I hope I have done the calculation right and make myself clear in this video. Thank you.